Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. How are you doing today, guys? I will be talking today about this perfume. But before that, I want to show you. I just used on my hair this product. Let me know if you like it on me or not. It's bedhead bedhead foxy curls by Tiggy. This is the second time I purchased this product, but I'm not sure, guys, if I really like it or not. Let me know if you like it on me or not. Kind of, it's not super strong. It's kind of interesting, the shape of the bottle, but the results are kind of like that. I guess it's always good to have something to change your hair, like kind of some days we want our hair to look one way or the other. So today's product, guys, will be this one. But actually, I would like to recommend, guys, to everybody to make yourself a cup of coffee now or after video, and kind of sometimes there's nothing better than a cup of coffee on the sunny days or rainy days or any other days, because coffee is always, kind of sets our mood for the better, isn't it? Coffee. So this one, guys, so the name of the perfume, I was thinking, guys, I'm still thinking about my hair, which way is better. So uh, Barakat Satin Oud is the perfume. Maison, I wonder why, they are duping one of the perfume. I will tell you which one, but this perfume, guys, is by the Fragrance World. So I got this fragrance world, and this one is basically, is they say sometimes is the best cologne for Baccarat Oud Satin Mood. So there is there are those Baccarat perfumes, that this one is Barakat, that they are, by Maison Court John Francis, like they are very expensive. So I only got dupes, so this one is one of the dupe, and then I got Amber Eve, another dupe for Grand Soir, and I'm very happy, actually, really happy about that perfume, and I think I might be happy about this perfume. And they say this dupe is pretty close, even one of the best probably dupes that it exists, for to clone that Maison Cour de John Francis, perfume. So, and also sometimes they mention another name, Oud Satin Mood. So I guess there is, I think, is it Paris Corner makes some kind of perfume. I also hear another name, Ministry of Oud, and sometimes they compare, those reviewers, and basically at the end they kind of figure it out that this one maybe is kind of better, type of perfume. And it wasn't that expensive, guys. Wasn't that expensive. They say that this one is a bit stronger. I couldn't find Fragrantica, but guys, I only see here, like, basically on Amazon. What do they say? I will be opening this perfume, guys, for you. Fragrance World perfume. Okay, so I read you guys the notes. So top notes are violet, and then it says oh wow, what's that? Laotian wood. So there is some kind of wood. Bulgarian rose, Turkish rose, vanilla, amber. It says captivating, deep, warm oud fragrance. So let's say, let's say I have this another one. It's Opulent Oud by Latafa. So this one's a bit strong, actually. I sprayed it some time ago. I sprayed it, and it's a little bit strong, in my opinion, to wear every day. But people say that the dry down is very nice. This one is Opulent Oud. I have a white, red, and this one. This one is maybe the least I use, because it's simply hard to find, the appropriate days to wear like a sharper oud perfumes. Although this one is still wearable, One day, guys, I will do video for you about sharp oud perfumes, So this one has oud as well. So Turkish rose, Bulgarian rose. The box, there is some velvety feeling, but as you can see, this one I'm supposed to take it off. So ideal for gifts, it says. Excellent sillage, high quality, projection, and longevity. So there must be something really brilliant about this perfume. So my hair is drying out, guys, after using this particular product. So superb value from whatever collection, whatever. So from Fragrance World perfumes, guys, I have this Amir Al Oud from Fragrance World. I have from Latafa and from Fragrance World, which actually pretty sharp, you know, it would pretty sharp, you know, not very usable for every day. And then I have amber, you know, that amber perfume, and this one is the third one that I will be opening, Barakat with 2 Ks, Satin Oud. Is there more? Let's see what people say. So they say great value. So okay, smells amazing. They say that Maison Francis Coeur de Jean perfume cost around 200. You know, and it's only 70 ml bottle. So then it says really worth it to buy. It's good fragrance. Would not recommend, some people say. Wouldn't buy again. It's a beautiful scent. More long lasting than perfume like Olympia, you know. So that's the Baccarat, that golden type of box. And then it says strong smell but doesn't last. It says overall. Basically they say exact match for what they are inspired, you know. Scent is a mess, they say. You know, it's very interesting to hear other people's opinion. Very interesting, because you know, when you hear other people's opinion, sometimes it makes you think, is that really true? And then you might discover, you know, more of the perfume that way. So when you open the box, you see this type of situation with blackness, dark blackness. And you take it out the bottle, guys. You take it out the bottle. And we're gonna close the box right now. The box we are going to close, and then we will see this. So it's kind of black, but it kind of not super black. I think it's only the liquid is dark. It's kind of dark with, there is a little bit like a cherry color, you know, or like brownish. It's not super dark. I wonder, you know, while spraying, let's say on your white shirt, you know, would that stain your shirt or your white clothes? You know, you really need to think about it if you are wearing white shirt, because this one is a bit, there is some kind of color, you know. So imagine you are wearing a white shirt and spraying this one at the front of your white shirt, you know, there is possibility it might stain you. I don't know. But this one is written Fragrance World. Beautiful, you know. I really like copies that Francis Coeur de Jean type of perfume, you know. Perfume. Let me smell it. Cannot feel anything, and I cannot wait, guys, to spray this perfume right now. Simply cannot wait it. Let's spray it. What do you think, guys? Let's drink coffee and spray. Really, the bottle is that type of, you know, that type of bottle. Barakat, not Baccarat, it's Barakat, guys, this particular perfume. Oh my goodness, guys, it's always so nice to discover new perfumes, you know. There is this Fragrance World type of feature over there, and Satin Oud. So there is a lot of rose. Not really into roses myself, guys, like just like Sheikh Al Sujuk is a bit, you know, there are those roses and other perfumes. This one has even 2 roses, so I wonder what's gonna be, you know. They say it's unisex, so let's see, guys. Enough for talking, simply enough for talking, and simply time to spray. Maybe 3, okay. I sprayed it, didn't inhale yet, but I will, guys. Already smelled it. Oh my goodness. So I smelled, you know, those roses, you know, because there is already a lot of roses. So those roses really came into my nose, you know, those roses. So like a lot of roses, guys. You know what? Because there is amber, reminds me, there is a little bit that feeling. There is amber. I saw there, like somewhere. Is it in the base notes? I think, where was it? Amber in the base notes. There is a little bit of feeling of that amber soir, you know, from this also brand, but also mixed with those 2 even types of roses. So those roses are what's hitting the most. So there is the feeling of that Middle Eastern vibe, you know, that Sheikh Sujuk has, but this one is a little bit maybe more modernized, you know. Not that's not freshness, guys. That's more like going towards those oudi sides, you know. So far, I prefer that Amber Eve or Dupe for Grand Soir, you know, more than this one. Really need to experience more, guys. As always, my first impressions, sometimes they can be such a failure, sometimes, you know, but as you know, please like follow me to see what I think later on, because for example I bought last time, you know, this red version of this one, and I said really it's a little bit difficult, that one, to wear that red one, but then at the end I realized that that red one is possible to wear and is actually possible to enjoy. So this one, this of course is more wearable than that maybe, you know, red one, but actually there is some prettiness in it, some kind of, but that rose keeps lingering, you know. Let's see what so a lot of rose, okay, two types of roses mixed with amber, you know, that I can feel that amber at the end. There's some sweetness, but that rose is more, you know. What else? Vanilla. Yeah, vanilla. I can feel vanilla with rose and amber, three type of notes, you know, type of vanilla, amber and roses. It's not a lot of those notes, but actually it's exactly what you feel, more or less. Roses, maybe, as I said before, are a little bit modernized and Sheikh Sujuk compliments. It's possible, guys. There is that warmth that you can feel, you know, warmth. There is that warm type of smell that you could feel, like, let's say, you know, it will not give you freshness, this perfume, at all, but there will be some warmth in it, you know. It's hard to, let's say, imagine, like, let's say that Armani, there is that black one, there is that black perfume by Armani, but this one is different. This one is different. This one is more oud. This one is more rose. You know, give me some time to discover. Like, I don't, you know, kind of, I wouldn't be able to say that I love this perfume so much at this particular moment. The same like this one. I wouldn't be able to say that I love this perfume so much, but, you know, every day you wear perfume and you discover, you know, that kind of, you like it, depending on how you feel, how you feel, and what you wear, and what's your mood, and what's the weather. You know, imagine maybe wearing this perfume on a hot summer, no, on, let's say, on a rainy type of day, to give you this type of warmth. I think it's rare. I can feel this. There is that vanilla. What I like this perfume, vanilla and amber, I like in this particular perfume, you know. There is that smoothness, you know. For example, this one, there is sharpness, but there is, in this one, there is this smooth type of feeling, you know, the type of roses with the amber and vanilla is smooth. It's not it's not the type of, you know, skanky, which is a good thing, you know. So that situation, guys. I really hope you liked this type of, you know, my review. You know, I really hope you liked my review. Tell me if you liked it. If you didn't like it, have you seen this perfume? Have you seen reviews about this perfume? What's that Paris Corner perfumes, guys? What's that one? What's that Ministry Oud? And do you have a real version of that Maison, you know, that Francis Curdition, which I don't have. I only have dupes. Let me know, guys. Let me know, and we will meet each other again soon. I wish us to have like a really, guys, fantastic day with this new particular perfume. Smooth rose with amber and vanilla. It's always nice to have new perfume, isn't it, in your collection, that you can roll, you know, like this, and you can look at it, and you can spray, and you can, you know, you can smell different with this perfume. I'm very happy, guys, to discover in the future days. I'm gonna do a lot of reviews about this perfume in the future. Have a fantastic day, guys. Bye bye. See you soon.